We'll guide you through how to install a Google Docs add-on. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Google Docs in your web browser and make sure you're logged into your Google account. Once you're in Google Docs, open an existing document or create a new one to get started. Look at the top menu. You'll see an option called Extensions. Click on that and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Add-ons and then choose Get Add-ons from the side menu that appears. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace in a new window, where you can browse or search for the specific add-on you need. Use the search bar at the top to type in the name of the add-on you're interested in and press Enter. Once you find the add-on, click on it to open its details page. Here, you can read more about what the add-on does and see user reviews. If you decide to install it, click the blue Install button. A pop-up will appear asking for permission to connect the add-on to your Google account. Click Continue to proceed. You may need to sign in again for security verification. After that, review the permissions the add-on requires, and if you agree, click Allow. The add-on will then be installed and ready for use. To use it, go back to your Google Docs document, click on Extensions again, and you'll see your new add-on listed there. Click on it to access its features. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.